Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing my first Shein review. I bought these off Shein and these are brushes for your nails and they look so pretty, you guys. So they came in this plastic baggie, so we're gonna just get them out of there. I love the color. They look like, basically they look like pens, but when you open them, look how pretty, look how nice they are. These are perfect for making lines. So I'm gonna leave the link for you guys where you guys can actually find them. These were like less than $5. I can't remember exactly how much I paid. And of course that's because they're always changing on the price. I really like these. I did play a little bit with them. I'm gonna show you here on camera how well they work. So I have two fake nails prepared already. I will be using this metallic silver base, and I'm just gonna be using it for drawing. Now I had this for a while, so we're gonna just go ahead and use this. So you will receive different size on this, and let me just show you. So let's go ahead and open them all. Here's the other one. Okay, I'm just gonna put the lids on the side, and then I have this one, and then I have the longest one, which it was the first one that I showed you. No, this is not the longest one. I did apply some cuticle oil after I used them and cleaned them. And then I have this one, which is probably, I think this is the shortest one. So, and here is the other one. So that was the longest one. So yeah, you get 5 different sizes of length on the brushes, and these are so nice, you guys. They're very good quality. If you take care of them, you're gonna have them for a while. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, these are perfect for making lines. So let's use the longest one. And basically I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of this, and then let's just make a long line. It doesn't look so straight. I should have I think I should have cleaned my brush. So let me go ahead and clean my brush. Like I said, I apply a little bit of cuticle oil on my bristles, so let me just clean that. I think that's kind of messing with my brush. If you guys know any other way to take care of your brushes, let me know in the comments. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this. Since this is gel, I can just wipe it. And again, I'm gonna grab some of that and let's give it a try. There you go. You see how easy it was just to make a straight line, and it was the oil, the one that was messing my you know, it was making me not be able to do the straight line. So we're gonna go ahead and do another one, and just like that. One more. Okay, so there you go. All right, so that worked perfect. So let's try another design. I'm not going to use them all, but you guys know they do work, and they work really well. So again, let me just go ahead and clean, and I have some alcohol here in my little dish, so just to get rid of the oil that I'll apply to the bristles of the brush. Oops. And let's see, let's do another design. Mm. You just do whatever comes to your mind. I have nothing on my head. I'm just drawing lines. Okay. And one more. And there you go. So for this design, I could apply like a rhinestone right there, and that would make it look so cool. So these brushes are so good. So again, I'm just gonna, I have another nail over here. Let me try something else, okay? Let's try another brush. So I'm gonna try this one. Is more shorter, as you guys can see. Again, let me get rid of the oil. And oops. Okay, let's try that again. That was my fault. I didn't have enough of that metallic. Okay. And I am trying to concentrate really good. Make sure you apply enough of the paint. Otherwise you're gonna have this kind of problem. Make sure you have enough. You guys see that? So they work really good. Now, let's just, the shorter one, let me just also clean it. And if I wanted to make like squares, the shorter one is perfect for that. Alright guys, so that's it for this tutorial. The only thing left to do is to cure, because this is gel. So we're gonna go ahead and cure it. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brushes again. And all I'm doing is, you know, I have some alcohol like I said. And then I apply some of that cuticle oil. And I think my brushes will be like new again until I use them next time. So I'm gonna leave all the information for you guys on the description box. I hope you guys like this review. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and I will see you on my next one. And here is the final result, and I hope you guys enjoy this. All right, you guys, bye.